by just one single click. Once I hit this plus add broadcast button, this entire template is sent to all of my thousands of contacts instantly. No manual sending, no copy pasting, no delays. Just one click and my message reaches everyone. And that's exactly what makes WhatsApp broadcast more powerful. Now think about it. You are a business owner and you want to send something important update to your thousands of users. Sending them one by one manually is a very time consuming and a huge task. It takes too much efforts, and that's where most businesses fails to get the real audience. But with Pabbly Chatflow, everything changes. Instead of sending individual messages, you can create one structured, high converting template and send it to thousands or even up to 2 lakhs contacts at once. Now let's understand what broadcast really is. So broadcast is not a group message. It's not like adding people into a group chat where messages get ignored. Instead, each user receives your message directly in their personal WhatsApp inbox, as if you have sent it individually. That's why open rates are high and that's why responses are better. So inside Pabbly Chatflow, first you have to add all of your contacts. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature, and here you just have to click on this plus add contacts. You can also add contacts manually by adding one by one, but it's also a time consuming. So we have a solution for that too, means this add in bulk. Here you have to upload a CSV file of all of your contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest form of file that consists your contacts names and contact number. Just like this. For creating a CSV file, you can use Excel or Google Sheet. I have added all of my users record in Google Sheet. Now I am downloading it in a CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that only CSV files is allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. So you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For adding, you have to click on this option and click on this add new file. After that, just drag and drop this file here. Next, click on this upload file, select it from here and click on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also create a contact list by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one list by the name of new list where I added only 48 contacts. Once your contacts are ready, you can organize them and target specific audience. Now comes to the main part, that is broadcast. So go to the broadcast section. For creating a new one, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. Select the broadcast type from here that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I enter the broadcast name as coaching alert. Select the contact list from here that I am selecting as new list. This is the same list that I have created here. After that, this is the refined audience. It is an optional. Here you can select the contact list on whom you don't want to send broadcast, and in this field you can select the specific contact. Next, if you want to skip contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, then you can enable this toggle so they don't receive message again. Next, you have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send the regular message by selecting this option and select the message type from here and enter the message in this field. But I refer you to go with this pre-approved template messages because templates are approved by Meta and that follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, I am selecting the template from here by clicking on this option and choosing it. This is the Coaching Institute template that I have already designed before. After that, I'm clicking on this option and uploading this image. See, it is inserted. After that, I'm clicking on this done button. Now for creating this template, you have to go in this templates feature. See, this is where you can design multiple types of WhatsApp templates based on your business. It is a predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link and you will see this is the same template that we are going to use in this video. After selecting the template, I am going to test this by entering the username as a test user in this field and entering my number manually just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button. and you will see it says that test broadcast sent, and immediately I received a new message to see this is the same template that I have selected here. After that, you have to schedule the broadcast. It will provide you two options, that is yes, schedule for later, and no, send instantly. If you want to send this broadcast instantly, then you will go with this option and click on this plus add broadcast button, but I am scheduling this for later, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am selecting the date from here as 3rd of May at 6 p.m. So on 3rd of May 2026 at 6 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside this list, means these all. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button, and see our broadcast is created successfully and is going to be appear here too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report. Here you can see the status as sent, delivered, read, pending, ignore. So this is how easily you can do the setup of WhatsApp broadcast message inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you want me to create a separate broadcast message template for your own business, then comment it. I will create a separate tutorial for that too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.